Senbetskano, Nameg Michael Kocheski Gedek, B. Amerikin Nixon Ulsin Shin Ilchin said Ben. I'm honored to become the U.S. ambassador to Mongolia. Mongolia is an important friend and partner to the U.S., and America will always be a third neighbor that you, Mongolia, can count on. You can count on us to broaden economic ties that benefit both our countries. You can count on us to be a steady partner, supporting strong, sovereign, free, and open nations. You can count on us to be a clear voice for democracy, transparency, good governance, and human rights. And you can count on us to bring our people even closer together through scholarships, English teaching, exchanges, and the Peace Corps. This year, 2019, is the U.S.-Mongolia Year of Youth, and it opens up further opportunities. My wife Aloisa and I can't wait to get to Mongolia. There's so much we want to see and do and to show to our 3 kids and our many friends when they visit. But most importantly, I can't wait to talk with you in person and on social media about deepening the partnership between our 2 countries. See you soon. Udakwi Ultsi.